Okay, my people, how are you doing and how's your side? Okay, I want to release a particular key for you, and that thing I want to release for you is going to help you in your trading career and your trading journey. It's a strategy that I want you to learn, and I will tell you the name and I will tell you why I want you to learn it. Before that, I'm going to let you know. Okay, I gave an update yesterday that I'm aspiring a sell on Euro JPY. You saw the buy that you saw the when I bought it, and now I'm already selling. I've started selling it already, and I told you yesterday on that video that I'm expecting a sell entry, and you saw the sell entry that I opened, that I took yesterday with just 6 pips stop loss. So when it was in profit, you can actually adjust your stop loss, break even, then you allow price to do its thing. But the bottom line is it's selling, and everything on Euro is selling. All the pairs on Euro, they are what? They are selling. You can see my trades are on Euro. The last buy that I took, I'm still retaining it because there is a particular target that I have. So if it hits my my break even, my trade stop on it, then so be it. But I already scalp. I've taken all the big profit that I needed on the buy entry of Euro JPY. So now I'm on sell. Okay, and you can see that Euro JPY, Euro NZD, and Euro USD, you can see they are all selling. There are some things we look into before we can actually know if Euro pair, all the Euro pairs are going to be selling, if all USD pairs are going to be buying, if GBP pairs are going to be selling. Okay, if Euro is buying and USD is selling, what we Euro JPY does and what we USD JPY does. Anyway, that is a lesson for another day. I told us that next year is going to be full of tutorials. I'm going to teach us like a kind of depth teaching. And it's also next year I'm also starting my mentorship next year, both the free mentorship and the paid mentorship. And for real, everything, you are going to benefit from both, for sure. You are going to benefit from both, because you are not expected to go for paid mentorship if you have not started any from my free mentorship. You get that? So the free mentorship will help you to gain and to make profit that will enable you to advance your journey in trading in order to pay for my premium mentorship. Do we get that? And that is how it should be. So now there is one thing I want you to search on YouTube before I release my own video on that. There is one thing I want you to search on YouTube, and the reason why I want you to search that on YouTube is because when a trend want to start, that thing will show. There is no way to not show. I've not seen any trade that a trend will want to reverse. Let me use the word reverse, that it will not show. It must show. When I say it must show, I actually mean it. It must show. Like 99% of time, or let me say 95% of time, it must always show that this trend is going to reverse. If you have been selling, if you want to buy, it must show you that okay, there is a reversal coming up now for a buy. If you have been buying, it must tell you that there is a reversal coming up. You must sell. For you to sell. So if you now want to take a sell when that thing has not shown, well, if you have other confirmation, but for me and my strategy and for me and my household, I will not take that trade if I don't see that thing playing out. I will not do what? I will not take that trade if I don't see that thing playing out, because it is very, very important. I don't know the kind of pair you want to trade. I don't know the kind of pair you trade. I don't know the instrument you trade. Maybe stock, maybe forex, maybe indices, or whatever thing you trade. If a reversal is going to occur, that thing must what? That thing must show. Who can guess? I'm talking about a divergence. A what? A divergence. Even for you to grow a small account, if you know how to read divergence, if you know how to read it, it's going to help you to know how to time your entry for a sniper entry. It's going to help you when you know that, okay, your divergence has already happened. Then the next thing is you start targeting when to enter the market. But there will always be a divergence before. Personally, I like trading reversals. I like trading reversals because I know, they don't need to tell me. I know I'm very good at divergence, because it has to do with my strategy, my method of trading. So I know that I have to spot it before I can take a trade. So once I spot it and I add my other confluence, my dear, I can take 1 million positions, and it's going to end up in blues. It's going to end up in blues. There are some things you look into when you are trading, and it gives you full. There are some things you look into when you are trading, and they give you full confidence. I was chatting with someone. Was it yesterday or this morning? Okay, yesterday night. The person chatted me. The person is one of my YouTube subscribers. So the person chatted me and said whenever he wants to place a trade, that he on his live account, that his heart used to cut. Like that, this kind of service, all those kind of things, like this kind of tension. And I told the person, I say, there is one thing you need for you to have a good trade and with full confidence, because part of what you have to overcome when trading, in fact, the major thing you have to overcome is your psychology. And what will show you if your psychology has actually been mastered is when you want to place a trade and there is nothing like tension. Well, let me release that for another video. But for now, what I told the person was, for now, let me give just one line before I will give you other lines on this particular hint. So what I told the person is, you need confidence in your strategy. That is number one. This confidence is not alone, because sometimes when you have too much confidence, you will overtrade, you will over leverage your account, and when you over leverage your account, you know what will happen now? Blow like a mighty wind. Spirit of victory. Anyway, you are going to blow your account. That is just it. But there is one thing that is also important: confidence. When you have confidence in what to trade, and you know what to trade, and you know what to trade, it's going to help you. It's going to help you to manage your account, develop confidence, master psychology, and everything is going to go well. That is why I'm telling you that go see when you finish watching this video. I want you to go to search icon on YouTube. Just type anything divergence. I need you to type anything divergence. Just type divergence strategy, how to use divergence on forex. I don't know all those tags. I don't know how you may want to search your own, but it is important for you to know how to spot a divergence on trading. on trading. Then now, after learning about divergence, now look for any trade that has been buying and has now started selling. Then you should now check if there is no divergence on that spot that it started selling. You heard me right? After you've now learned, you've watched videos on divergence, now look for any trade. Look for what? Look for any trade on any pair that have been buying and now it wants to start to sell, or maybe after it started selling and there is no divergence at the start of when it started selling. It's part of the strategy I use when I combine with my other confluence. The strategy I gave you, I've only given you one strategy on this YouTube channel because I told you I don't want you to pack yourself with all chunks of strategies. And maybe when you are now looking for divergence, you saw another strategy that is working. Now you now start all those things are, I'm sorry to say, those things are rubbish. Just search what I asked you to search, and if you see the strategy you spotted is very good for you, okay, good, now start using it, and you can if you can master it, it's okay. But if you won't be able to master it, you jump from one to another, see, before you actually make it in this thing, bro, before you actually make it in this business, it's going to take a lot of time because you will keep on jumping from one strategy to another. You will keep on jumping from one strategy to another. So it is very important for you. Just know that what you want to learn, as you are checking that, as you are looking on other channels, is divergence. I'm not saying you should not subscribe to other channels, so why not? You subscribe to my own. Why shouldn't you subscribe? And if you've not subscribed to my own, try and subscribe. Okay, so just look for divergence. Learn how to spot divergence. When you learn how to spot divergence, I'm going to teach you the next thing and how to use divergence. And I will tell you the time frame to use divergence very well, according to how I use it. And later we can now start talking about the strategy that I give to you. I hope this thing helps. I don't want to make too long videos. I just want to give an information that is very important. Learn divergence. Yesterday I released a video buying Euro JPY and it was in a huge profit. Today, it's not even up to 24 hours, I am releasing another video. I'm selling Euro JPY and I'm in profit. I spotted my divergence and some other confluence. What you mean by confluence? Other things you look into before you take your trade. So that is the secret, and that's one of the secrets in trading. Go on YouTube, learn divergence. When I started trading, I started with by reading baby babes PDF, watching videos on YouTube before I now enroll for mentorship. So by the time I enrolled for mentorship, I already had some knowledge. So when I enrolled for mentorship, it helped me. And it's not even what I enrolled or what my mentor taught me that I'm using now. What he taught me, I combined what he taught me with some other things, and that is what